7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition and liftoff of the Atlas V with Juno on a trek to Jupiter, a planetary piece of the puzzle on the beginning of our solar system.
Your roll program is in progress. Vehicle body rates look good. Booster PU has gone to 50%. Speed chamber pressure set plateaued. Not rolling on. Signatures of RS-180 operation. Looks at this point. Mach 1. Speed chambers continue to roll off. Max Q. Boosters throttling up. We're on schedule. Engine response looks good. Use on closed loop control. Looking for our SRB throttle down momentarily. Engine continues to operate well. And booster has throttled back. Looking for SRB burnout soon. Chamber pressures have plateaued on the SRBs. And we begin to roll off. And BOTA has been satisfied. Vehicle is throttling back up to full thrust. And we have solids 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 jettisoned. Visual indication that all solids are separated well.
Ahora.
And the booster has begun its roll for spacecraft thermal constraints. Rates look good, plus battery voltages are stable. And the vehicle is now going into closed loop steering. And booster PU is also in closed loop control. Engine response looks good for the set mix ratio. Current altitude is 45.8 miles in altitude, downrange distance 69 miles, velocity 5,413 miles per hour. Coming up on our RCS pyro valve activation. It is now fired. System's now pressurizing the flight levels. We've begun our 2.5G throttle segment. Engine response looks good. Current altitude is 60 miles in altitude, downrange distance 118 miles. Velocity is 6,983 miles per hour. Coming up on our next marked event will be payload frame jettison, followed by the CFR jettison. Boost phase cool down is underway. Now throttling to maintain 5 Gs. Pogo pyro vent has been fired. And begun throttling to 4.6 Gs in preparation for BECO. Boost phase cool down is complete. We have BECO. Engine shutdown looks good. We have retros and stage separation. We have LOX and fuel pre-start. RCS GN2 purge burn is underway. We have ignition and full thrust on the aero fan. Centaur closed loop steering has been enabled. Small body rates associated with closed loop steering. Vehicle tank pressures are being ramped down as expected. Centaur PU has been commanded to oxidizer-rich fixed angles for the early part of this 6-minute and current altitude is 112 miles, downrange distance